Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I made some walnut milk. I added 2 scoops of the Vega protein powder and a whole banana. The recipe calls for half a banana, but I decided to use a whole one. I have a frozen banana and a half a fresh banana. 2 scoops of the protein powder. I'm out of dates, so I'm going to use some agave. Okay, just wanted to show you a substitute. You know, I don't really measure, but it's going to come out like kind of like a milkshake consistency, or at least it should. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, here we go. It turned out to be a more watery consistency, which is fine. The recipe calls for ice, and I'm not really a fan of ice. I would rather use the frozen fruit, and I only used half a frozen banana. So next time I'll probably use a whole banana, frozen banana, so that'll give it more of a milkshake consistency. But I'm fine with it being the way that it is. It is a protein drink. So if you have ever had something like Ensure, it's going to be similar to that. All right, y'all. I hope that this was helpful. And again, it's the Vega protein powder, and there's a recipe on the side of the container. Love y'all. Later.